In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image blocks in Squarespace 7.1. If you're looking to enhance your website with beautiful and engaging images, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace login page. Once you're there, you'll click on the login button. This is your gateway to getting all your creative ideas onto your Squarespace site. After clicking login, a prompt will appear with various sign-in options. For simplicity, let's choose continue with Google. This option ensures a fast and secure login without the need to remember an additional password. Once you've logged in successfully with your Google account, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the site you want to edit. This will take you to your site's main dashboard where the magic begins. From your dashboard, locate the edit button and click on it. This will open up your site's page editor, granting you access to all the customizable elements of your page. Within the page editor, your focus will be on adding new content. Look for the Add Block option, which is typically found by mousing over areas of your page. Don't worry if you can't find it immediately, it's usually indicated by a small plus sign that becomes visible when you hover to the spot where you want to add content. Clicking on Add Block presents you with a variety of block types to choose from. For today, we're focusing on the image block. Image blocks are perfect for showcasing your photos or graphics in a clean and modern style. Click on the image block option to add it to your page. Now you'll need to upload an image. In the newly added image block, you'll see a placeholder where your image will be. Click on the plus icon here, which will give you more options, one of which is upload file. This is how you'll get your image from your computer onto your Squarespace site. Click Upload File and a window will open, allowing you to browse and select your desired image file from your computer. Choose an image that best represents the content or message you want to convey. Once you've selected the file, click Open to upload it, wait for it to upload, and once it's done, you'll see it appear seamlessly on your page. From here, you can adjust the sizing and placement to best match your design vision. Remember, an engaging image can greatly enhance the look and feel of your website by drawing in your audience and making your content more relatable. And that's it, you've successfully added an image block to your Squarespace site. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to easily enhance your web pages with striking visuals. Thanks for watching and happy designing.